it's a haul today. Because I'm planning to make a Halloween costume, I went to my local fabric store to get the stuff I needed, and I did, but then I ended up with a whole bag of goods. And I don't regret it. I wanted to get some tulle. I really like tulle, but it's for the costume. It's orange, it's a bit orange. And now that I have it, I don't know if it crashes with the fabric I was planning to use. I want to make a Sewverse cool costume, sort of outfit with everything, the makeup and the hair and all that. And I thought that this would look nice on the chest area. And for the costume as well, I got a zipper, normal zipper in beige. And I got this nice ribbon that I'm not sure I'm going to use because I think it crashes with the fabric I have for that, but it's really nice. It obviously goes well with the orange, but I don't know if it goes well with the other one, so we'll see. And then I also got in another haberdashery, I got this one as well. This is a sort of crochet thing, multicolor, really pretty. I think it's really nice. These are really pretty to have around, and even if I don't use them for the costume, I'll have it in my stash for the right project. They'll be really pretty on sleeves or necklines. And because I want the skirt to be quite full, I went to the remnant box to have a look to see if they had something I could use as a petticoat. And they did. And I got this sort of curtain stuff. I don't know what it is. I have a problem with fabrics. I don't know the names, or I don't know. I see a fabric, I know it's cotton, it's silk, it's something, but I don't know the specifics. So, well, this is curtain stuff, isn't it? And it has this sort of embroidery in a check design. So I think this is good. And then I was looking around. Well, I was digging in there. I saw quite a few things I liked. And you can't leave them there, can you? The first one is this really pretty flowery... See, I don't know what this is. It's so thin, it's see-through. Doesn't really matter. But it's really nice. I think it will look really pretty on a blouse. And I have more or less 1.20 m or 1 m, not much, 1.50 m at least. Ah, that's good. I don't know, see, I don't know even what you have. It's a sort of spring pattern, but I don't think it matters. It's I'm saying blouse, but the thing is that, well, when you go to a fabric shop, to buy your things, you know what you're getting because you have plans. But when you get in the remnant box, you don't really have plans. You just get the stuff and then you'll decide. So this is what it is. Next one I want to show you is this nice cotton. This one is a cotton, I know this one. And it has a lovely color and pattern. I think this one, when I look at it, it seems to me like it would be a nice dress. But I don't know if I have enough for that, but we'll see. I'll try my best. As always, I try to make the most of my fabrics. Then I got this one, I don't know, it has a strange pattern. It's this flowery sort of thing. It's very heavy. I mean, the florals are very heavy. And they had a second one and I didn't get it, and then I was thinking, maybe I should have got it and make like a matching outfit, sort of a blouse and trousers or something and something. And I might go back and see if they still have it. I don't know what this fabric is. It's thick, it's synthetic, it's a sort of polyester of some kind. You can see how thick it is because the inside is white, it's only printed on one side. Same brand, they have this sort of silk. This looks like, to me, like a silk. Like one of these scarves, It's really pretty with this classic pattern, and this will look nice on a skirt, I think. Skirt or blouse, or pajamas maybe. Then I got this one. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. This is a bit weird, isn't it? It has sort of this black pattern, and behind it it's all rainbow colors. I think it'd be good for me to practice with knits, because I'm not confident at all to sew these jersey stretchy things, because I don't have my serger broke, as you know, so I'm not confident at all. I don't have that much. I don't think it gets to a meter.
I don't know, but you can leave it behind, can you? Have to take it home.
Then, because I took so much stuff, they gave me these 2 little bits of sequins fabric for free. It's only 2 squares, it's not much, but it'd be good to have if you want to make a sort of customized t-shirt to add a pocket or binding, or to add to a handbag, or maybe something for your hair. It'll be nice on sleeves as well. I don't know, but I really like it. And then when I saw this, I almost fainted, because I had seen this and I hadn't bought it because I had stuff to make already and I wasn't quite sure what I would do with them. But then I saw them on the remnant box, and it's these polka dots. I showed you at the same time because they are the same really. They are ever so pretty. This is in a sort of neon pink with purple polka dot, and this is lilac with the polka dots in red. I think they're ever so pretty. I'm so excited to use this too. I don't know what I'll do. I would love to make a dress, or I don't know. Even trousers, they'd be lovely in anything. And I love that the polka dots are not in a pattern. I mean, they are not straight one after the other. They are just all over the place. So it gives it a really casual look. I think I'll make a nice skirt or dress, or I really want to make the most of them. So that's all for my random haul of stuff I don't have plans for. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please let me know down in the comments what you think and what you will do with all of this, because I don't mind ideas. I'm open to ideas. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything next week. Bye!